All right. Well, hello. Hello to nobody. I'm just kind of testing this out to see this as a format. I wanted to kind of see what the everything looked like. Yeah, there's a delay here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place our paper here. And so far, I'm not liking the delay on this. So, oh, hmm. So what I wanted to do, and like I said, I'm not sure if this is even going to work out, but what I want to do is to try and um, do a little bit of solving for these dosage calculations to also help you out with doing some I don't know, understanding how to use dimensional analysis to make life a lot easier for you. Okay. So I'm just going to start off with this one problem just because I want to come back and see what this live stream looks like. So, couple things. What you need in order to participate, you need a piece of paper, you need some sort of writing utensil, and you might need a calculator. I don't have my calculator with me right now, but don't think we're going to necessarily need that for today. So, what are we going to do? Step one, I'm going to take um, my equation, I'm going to write it out. And I gotta also indicate what do I know about milligrams and micrograms. So you have to know that 1 milligram is equal to 1,000 micrograms. Okay. So on most tests, most formats, they expect you to know that. You're not going to be given that information. Okay. So you have to know it. Now, when I know that, then I can set up a dimensional analysis equation that could potentially help you um, solving these. So this is not just about doing simple um, metric to metric conversions, but we start there because you probably already know this answer. You probably already know that this is 1,234 micrograms, but I'm trying to teach you a strategy. And the strategy is if you set these things up and you take the time to learn how to do this, it'll make life a lot easier for you. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to create a line and we're going to create a conversion. Okay. Anytime I draw a line, that's the same thing as multiplication. Okay. What we're going to do is we want to ask ourselves a question. What are we trying to get rid of? So we're trying to get rid of milligrams. What are we trying to convert it to? Micrograms. So before I do anything math-wise, I'm going to start off with asking those questions. What do I want? What do I want to get rid of? So I want to get rid of milligrams. Do I know the relationship for milligrams and micrograms? I do. We did it up here, right? We took our, so all I'm going to do is match the number with the unit. 1 milligram, 1,000 micrograms. Okay. That is a pretty straightforward conversion. Micrograms will be the answer. Okay, is what we're looking for. So before I do anything with my calculator, I've already set it up and I already know that I'm at least going to get the correct unit. Okay, the only other way you're going to goof up on this is if you um, don't put it in your calculator correctly. But 1,000 times 1.24 to 1.234 is 1,234 micrograms. Okay, so that's what we're going to start working on. If you're interested, I have created I believe it's 120 practice problems, metric to metric conversions, and you can have that for free. All you got to do is either you can comment on this video, just comment, I think it was metric. I also have a post you can comment on, but let me know, and I'll try and get that over to you as soon as possible. Have a wonderful day.